Hello! After the thrilling experience of Shravanabelagola, we are now heading towards another historic city, Halebeedu. Here, we cross by the city of Hassan and onwards towards this Shilegala Nadu, as we call it in Kannada. Halebeedu is home to some of the best stone sculptures in the world. Formerly known as Dwarasamudra, these majestic ruins are renowned for their unique architecture and craftsmanship. At the temple, we are given a very informative tour of the temple by guide Mr. Kalesh. Stay close with us for details.
Yes, in Belur temple.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ
Belur temple, Vishnu temple. This is a Shiva temple. Built in 12th century, 1121 AD. It was built by one of the ministers of the Vaisala dynasty by name Ketu Malla. The Vaisalas ruled Karnataka between 10th to middle of 14th century, and they contributed 92 temples all over Karnataka. Among those, Belur, Halebeedu and Somnathpura temples are very famous. Because of minister built two temples on a single platform. One platform, two temples. One in the name of the king, name called Vaisaleshwara, and another one in the name of the queen, name called Shantaleshwara, king and queen. The material they used to build this temple is soft stone. It is very, very soft. Like soft when it is in the earth, but on exposure to the atmosphere, it becomes hard. So it was easy to chisel and carve. This temple took 190 years to build. 190. But still it is incomplete. Because when the work was going on, this temple was attacked by the Khilji Delhi Sultan. Alauddin Khilji's chief commander Malik offered 1310 and 1326, two-time attack. They destroyed everything, the palace, city and damaged the temple also. Then it came to be known as Halebeedu means ruined city.
Halebeedu means ruined city.
Ruined city, destroyed city. Destroyed city. A road settlement. Before it was called Dwarasamudra. But outside the lake. Dwara means entrance, Samudra means ocean, the gateway to the city. This is the eastern part of the temple. You can see 11 lines. In the first line we have elephants. There are 1248 elephants around the temple. But each elephant is different. A elephant stands for stability. Second line of lions for courage. Third and fifth lines flowers, creepers represent beauty. Fourth line we have horses for speed. Symbolically, strength, courage, beauty, speed. Next panel stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavatam and Purana stories. Samudra Manthan, churning of the Milky Ocean. Next line of Makara animal, it is mythical animal. It is combination of 7 animal parts: elephant trunk, crocodile mouth, monkey's eyes, cow's ears, pig body, lion's legs and peacock tail. Imaginary animal called Makara animal. Next line was swan god speckle of Brahma, dancers, musicians. Last line the very thick figure from Kama Sutra. That one, no? That one. In the top you can see windows, ventilations for good light and windows on the top. This is from Indian mythology called Samudra Manthan, churning of the Milky Ocean. You can see Demes this side, gods that side. They use Mandara mountain as churning rod and Vasaki snake as churning rod. When they are churning, because of no support, the mountain starts sinking into the water. Then Vishnu took the form of tortoise, Kurma avatar, and lifted the mountain. Ultimately, the god nature. Here is a moral story. Here is a moral. This is the teacher of the demon Sukracharya. He is meditating. It was believed that after his meditation, he would take alcohol. You can see toddy trees or palm trees, toddy trees. Toddy being collected and kept in a pot. Meanwhile, bird has come on drinking the alcohol, bird. What does it means? Nothing wrong in taking alcohol, but how much should we take? A little like a bird. If you take a little, you are flying in the sky like a bird. But if you take more than that, it becomes poisonous snake. So little is okay, but too much is too bad. Not only alcohol, everything.
Yes.
Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, three main gods. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. This is the guardians of the 8 direction gods, Ashtadikpalakas. 8 direction gods. Indra on his vehicle elephant Airavata, god of heaven. Agni on his vehicle Ram, god of fire god. Yama on his vehicle Buffalo, god of death. Niruti and his vehicle Man Niruti, god of rain god monsoon. Varuna and his vehicle Makar, Varuna, god of water. Vayu and his vehicle deer Vayu, god of wind god. Kubera and his vehicle Ars, Kuber, god of wealth money. Shiva and his vehicle Nandi, bull, god of agriculture. Guardians of the 8 direction gods. Ashtadhik.
వాడు పక్కన
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಮೇನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರೆ
Main entrance wall is agriculture of the Indians.
ಓಕೆ
The lingam mukha ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ.
ఓకే ఓకే
Because Nandi is vehicle of Shiva. Belur Vishnu temple, Vishnu vehicle, eagle, Garuda. In India, we have so many Nandi carvings.
Correct.
But the deferment of archaeology recognized only 7 Nandis according to their height and sizes. Only 7. The first Nandi is at Lepakshi temple in Andhra Pradesh.
ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
The second one at Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu, Brodeshwara temple. Third one at Chamundi Hill at Mysore. Fourth one at Basavanagudi, Bengaluru Bull temple. Again, fifth one at Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram. Again, sixth and seventh one are in Island. Both are 2 temples, 2 gods, 2 Nandi. But in decoration and beautification, this Nandi ranks first in India. Because it has a beautiful garlands of bells, flowers, bright eyes, running blood eyes, wrinkles on the neck, wrinkle, big bell, small bell, like a reflection in the mirror polish. Polish like a mirror. Both are made of single piece of stone, one stone, monolithic. That is 9 feet high. This is 8 feet high. 9 feet, 8 feet. Come inside.
ಇದು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಂದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಂ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ
ದೀಪದ ಫೋಟೋ ಅವು ಅಷ್ಟು
ಹಾಂ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್.
This is in the name of the queen name called Shantaleshwara. That side the king called Vaisaleshwara. The temple is divided into 3 parts. The first one is called Sanctum Sanctorium. Here you can see Shiva in the form of lingam. Second part is called vestibule or the praying hall, Darshana Mantapa. This is dancing platform, Navaranga. In those days, in South India, we had temple dancing. Dancing girls, Devadasis used to dance. In their memory, you can see some of the dancing postures, Madanikas, Silabalikas. Like this, we had 84 statues. Out of 84, but only 4 being remaining. 70 have been good statues taken by the British. They are in London, Albert and Victoria Museum.
like this you are saying, like this.
Same.
Like this how many meter?
Total 84. Out of 84, only 14 remaining. 70 have been good statues taken by the British. Even damaged statues, only 14 remaining. Hand broken, leg broken, a face broken. Only 14 remaining. Inside the temple, we have 108 pillar, 108 pillar, but each pillar is different. It is combination of 5 pieces, not single piece. So bottom there, first piece, first one base, second one shaft, third one capital, fourth one corbel, fifth one abacus. Sanskrit called Pancha Silastam.
The Ashoka pillar comes.
From this side, sir. Look at the beautiful ceilings. The 22 in number. In the ceiling, Shiva dancing in the center, Nataraj. Right Shiva, Brahma the creator. Left Vishnu the protector. Ganesha, Lakshmi, Saraswati. Ganesha's brother Subramanya or Kartikeya. In those are celestial gods arranged as celestial gods. So bottom 2 carvings, then after fixed. In interlock system in iron in fixed.
So there is iron used in this.
It's like concrete.
Okay.
We'll come back.
I didn't take Shiva and Elka.
Inside 42 mini temples. Like this, but at different gods. Inside like a Ganesha, Subramanya, Chamundeshwari. Out of 42, only 4 remain. These are the donatory inscriptions. In those days, people used to give the donations in the form of money, land, etc. The donor's names have been written on. That is Sanskrit. This is world language, world Kannada. Look at the beautiful Indian flower.
This door was closed. Enter to the.
Departmental storeroom, sir.
Okay.
Archaeological departmental storeroom.
What happened to the others? Only 4 are remaining? Great.
This is for the king name called Vaisaleshwara. Queen name Shantaleshwara, king name Vaisaleshwara. This two are the doorkeepers of Shiva called Nandikeshwara, Bringikeshwara, Dwarpalaka. Venu Vishnu temple, Vishnu doorkeeper, Jaya. Shiva doorkeepers, Nandikeshwara, Bringikeshwara. This temple was attacked by the Muslims. So the inside work was going on. Inside work was going on. This temple is known for outside beauty. Whereas Velu temple is known for inside. This temple is outside.
They completed outside first.
Outside. But they take a darshan, sir.
We were just dumbstruck at this architectural marvel. If this was just one half of the temple, imagine what the other half holds. Stay tuned for part 2 of our Halebeedu tour.
This temple